Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, December 24th, 2025, bringing you today's market intelligence simplified. Markets continued their Santa rally on Tuesday, with the S&P 500 climbing to 6,910 despite surprisingly strong economic data. The US economy grew at 4.3% in Q3, well above the expected 3.2%, driven by robust consumer spending that jumped from 2.5% to 3.5%. Gold hit its 53rd record close this year at 4,484 US dollars per ounce, while silver broke above 70 US dollars for the first time ever. The bond market remained calm with the 10-year Treasury yield holding steady at 4.15%. In company news, Nvidia surged 2.7% and led tech stocks higher amid reports the US may ease GPU export restrictions to China, potentially unlocking 7 to 12 billion US dollars in revenue. The chipmaker is also partnering with SK Hynix on AI storage that could be 10 times faster than current tech. ServiceNow is acquiring cybersecurity firm Armis for 7.75 billion US dollars in cash, expanding its enterprise footprint. Meanwhile, Micron got a major vote of confidence as Argus Research raised its price target to 320 US dollars, citing strong memory chip demand. ByteDance plans to invest 23 billion US dollars in AI infrastructure next year, with 12 billion earmarked for advanced chips. And Novo Nordisk received FDA approval for the first ever GLP-1 weight loss pill, showing 16.6% weight loss in trials, launching January 2026. Goldman Sachs' proprietary sentiment indicator has surged to its highest reading of the year, tracking equity positioning across retail, institutional, and foreign investors. While bullish momentum is clearly accelerating, the gauge remains just below stretched territory, a threshold last breached in December 2024. This suggests there's still room for upside before we hit extreme positioning levels. For investors, this creates an interesting dynamic. Strong conviction is building in equities, but we haven't yet reached the crowded extremes that typically signal reversal risk. The key will be monitoring whether fundamentals can justify this renewed optimism. Looking ahead, markets will be quiet with early closure Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern for Christmas Eve, close Thursday for Christmas, and normal hours Friday. Thin trading can amplify price swings. Thursday brings weekly jobless claims data, released a day early, offering a key snapshot of labor market health. Further out, President Trump is expected to name his Federal Reserve chair pick early next year, with frontrunners Kevin Hassett and Kevin Warsh both favoring lower interest rates, a decision that could reshape monetary policy in 2026. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.